Oh
Have
no!
you played against him before? He's the worst.
Nope.
He shocks you with his little baton, and he can shock you from very far away.
Oh, good.
He's
Oh,
a zap boy.
Basically, his strength is that he'll be able to find us really easily.
Good. Good.
Mm-hmm.
If getting tunneled wasn't easy enough for them.
Let's see. I'm trying to think of who you haven't played against yet. I know there is.
The hag?
Yeah, haven't played a hag, haven't played the nurse. Haven't played a lot of people.
The pig? No, you played the pig.
I've played the pig many times at this point. Always focused me.
Have you played Bing Bong Boy?
Nope.
Oh. You haven't played
Ella Bing Bong Boy.
You
Bing
know,
Bong Boy, best boy.
we
He's
have
probably like the only redeemable killer too.
I feel so bad. Well, there's a couple. Like, Hag became a killer because she literally got kidnapped by a group of cannibals or something.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Damn.
And then there's the clown, who is just awful.
Not surprising. He is a clown.
Not just a clown. He's
Why can I
also
see the hooks in the basement?
Why can you see the hooks in the
Marlon.
basement?
Marlon, what have
It
you
was
done?
not me.
No.
I mean, I'll take the blame, but
I mean, this is you.
Yes.
You blew the gen.
I didn't blow.
Follow
I
me,
didn't blow
Marlon.
the gen.
Follow me, Marlon.
Oh,
Oh,
my
you're on the
god.
other side. I didn't see that.
Oh, that's all of us
Coming.
now.
It's funny, we're on the doctor's map,
shit,
but
you're
meanwhile,
right.
I'm the doctor survivor.
Oh, you're also here.
Everyone's here.
Oh, sorry, sir.
Oh wow. We did it, Ken.
Oh.
Shit, fuck.
He has overload. Or whatever the fuck it's called.
Overcharge, I think.
Yeah, overcharge. So what that means, Ken, is that if he kicks a generator, the next skill check that appears is like the tiniest skill check, and it's almost impossible to get. Oh
Ow.
shit. Sorry. I think we got stuck.
Oh yeah, Ken, if you didn't like the skill checks before, they are a lot harder, with the doctor.
This is true. Do y'all remember what this map used to look like?
Yeah, I remember it looked like garbage.
Yeah, all the maps look like garbage.
I sure wish I could find a totem.
They really were like,
There's one right next to me.
uh-oh.
I don't know where you are, my friend.
Operating room.
Oh, well, I'm not gonna go to the operating room. I'd rather fucking die.
Okay. That's
Sorry, the
probably
operating room is like in the middle of the map. It's like the worst place.
good. Well, the doctor just passed by me, so yeah.
Oh, I'm dead.
Goodbye. Wait. I have a flashlight.
Picking me up.
Alright, I'll head over there soon. I'm just cleansing the totem.
Is a hook right? Oh, he's not gonna hook me. That's weird.
Yo! I'm booked!
Oh, he dropped me. What a bitch.
Goodbye!
Marlon, run!
Okay.
Dumb bitch. Hey, you better run. He's coming this way.
No, he ran the other way.
Oh, can I have some healing then?
He is coming for me! Baby!
Ah, damn it. Come on.
You've almost
Why is it
killed
over?
me.
Oh, what the hell? No,
Why
no,
is
no,
it
no,
backward?
I'm
It's
like-
the doctor.
I'm like
It's his
30 feet away from the
abilities.
window.
It's like fucking up your head, so that's why it's weird like that.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh no, it's not your fault. It happens.
Alright, you're good. You're good.
Stay still. Alright, who's going for her?
There's a totem over here, so I'm probably gonna get that.
Okay, I'll go for Marlon.
Where the fuck is this totem?
I just cleansed one over there.
Oh, he's
Oh,
on
I
me.
have it. Ken, can you go get her?
I'm trying. I don't know how to get here. Think I got it? Yeah, I'm there.
Alright. Put him down. Is he still chasing you, Agent?
Yeah. Trying to get him away from you. Oh shit, he screamed.
Marlon,
Yeah.
you're-
Over the heels.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean
Oh
to
my
like
god,
grab onto you,
it's
but
an overcharge.
Yeah, it's overcharged.
He's coming, by the way.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, come for me. Buddy. Buddy. Think about it. Ah.
Oh, also, Ken, you might have the option to snap out of it.
Yeah.
It'll just increase your sanity again. You just hold it down and then pass the skill checks.
He lost me because he's a loser.
I'm sorry, hold what down?
Hold on.
left
Getting
click.
chased.
You're okay. I don't
Oh,
think
it's
you
a
can do it
fake
right now
pallet!
because you wouldn't be able to do activities if you were at full madness.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my god.
Here, heal me up real quick.
Oh my god, these fucking skill checks.
Yeah, they're pretty nasty. I'm glad he doesn't have Hex Lullaby too.
Ow. Wake me up inside. I can't wait.
Wake me up. Where is Jen?
Everyone's here, I'm afraid.
You should be.
Here's a gym
Yeah,
in the
okay.
library.
Ah, I see. Go. Run.
Thank you, Marlon.
Yeah.
Come here so I can heal you. Just keep going straight.
I'm good. Marlon healed me all the way up. I just needed a tap.
Okay.
But it's fine again.
Hello, it's me.
She turned into Waluigi.
Jen?
What, in the center?
Okay, I just got a ping for the...
Trying to get out of his zap radius. I feel like he's gonna. Yeah, there it went.
Mm-hmm.
Tapping my generator. Uh-oh.
Alright, I get Marlon, you go ahead and get out of... Oh my god, you're here. Alright, Ken can get you then.
Cool.
We can both heal you though.
Cool.
Need to find gens.
Did he kick your gen? Is that what you said?
You just passed one, Pip, but I think you should go find another one.
I found one.
Okay, cool, cool, cool.
Did you get out?
Yeah, you should have
Oh,
seen
that-
what just happened.
That's a basement. I don't want to be here.
That was Agent.
Yeah,
Oh,
some nonsense just happened.
Good nonsense, it sounds like.
Oh yeah, very good nonsense.
I'm in danger.
Not as much danger as I am!
Yeah,
Uh-oh.
you're in.
Y'all are really close together. Try to separate. That was mean.
Shit.
Making
Emily,
me
what time do you
snap out of
bullshit
shit.
stuff? 10:30. Okay. Huh? Okay. Anyone else
Ken,
working
you're
on a
coming
gen?
towards the doctor. Careful.
I am also working on a gen.
It's coming towards you now. Run. Oh no, Ken.
Shit.
Alright.
Hold on. Come on, pick him up.
Oh, he's taking me to the basement.
Oh no! Alright, I'm here. Gotta go.
It's fine. Just find that gen. I got time.
I'm working on it.
The gen that I was working on?
Yeah.
Good.
Thank you.
Ah, shit, fuck. Okay. Alright, Nate, go, 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 go!
Hold on, he coming.
Oh, it's a big pellet!
Is someone gonna be able to get Ken?
No. Well, Agent might.
I know I have to snap out of it before I can get him.
Shit.
You may have to get
Ken,
him back.
hold tight.
Thank you.
Oh my god! I'm not ready. I was not prepared.
How do I get to the basement?
You're almost there. I can see you. I think you went the wrong way.
Just in case
You
I'm
have to
also...
like.
I figured it out, I
go-
figured it out.
Yeah, yeah.
Do you want me to heal you? I have bar time.
Marlon
Yeah,
is
go for it.
dead!
It was a good try though, Pip. It was a good try. It was a solid effort.
God. You'll be remembered, Marlon.
Mm-hmm.
I appreciate you. Yeah.
Rest in pieces. Also, I don't know where any of the doors are, so.
Well, there's one close to my body.
I think I'm gonna go with that one.
Let me snap out of it. Jesus.
Oh, you don't have to now. You can just run.
Oh god, which door is that?
I don't know, but he's by it.
Well, run around the map.
Yeah, honestly, just run around the edges of the map and you'll find me.
This is the wrong door.
I don't like that.
Just run around the outer hallways, guys. I'm standing outside waiting for you.
No, he's chasing me down. I don't like this.
God, I wish I knew where you were.
And this door isn't open yet. Okay, okay, it's gonna be open. Run, run.
It's okay, he's at my door. Come on, Ken. Be free!
I know when y'all leave. Okay.
We're good. We're good.